strong signals, strong service, strong and most important strength to the online systems. Due to this one, online system work in a well way. Due to this one, we can call them as the new emerging and advanced technology in Pakistan, including the world. The IoT, there are now, first of all, discuss the advantages of the IoT. IoT mean Internet of Things, provide the stronger signals, it provides the 4G and 5G speed. It also provide the most advantageous services of Zong, Jazz as well as other signals way. IoT as in the 5G or 4G speed provide the faster work in our offices, in our schools, in our other institutions, including colleges, hospitals, pharmacies, as well as the tuition centers. And it is the best way for earning as they provide the fast speed for online business. Due to this one, it is the new emerging and advanced technology. Many users can use this technology in a highly demand. Nowadays, it is used in a highly demand. Due to this one, we can call them as the new emerging and smart technologies. IoT mean Internet of Things, provide stronger signals, provide the high strength of services, and at some areas IoT cannot work due to the weak signals and weak services at such area. Due to this one, IoT can't work. IoT may have many applications, as it is the best way for the high speed of internet. It is also the best way for the speeding of 4G and 5G. It also gives the best information about the speed of internet. Due to this one, it is known as the IoT mean Internet of Things. It provides many materials, including the internet, as due to this one, internet work in a fast and easy way. IoT, which is a new emerging and advanced technology, as it performs many and several functions. In nowadays, IoT, which is used in a high demand, and in our smart homes or our schools, colleges, or our offices, it is used for providing the best speed of internet. It also provides the strength signals. It also provides the strength services to our institution for the working of our offices, of our schools, of our institution, including the hospitals, including the universities, including the schools, including the colleges, as well as other institutions in our society. So IoT mean Internet of Things is the best way for also earning, as it provide the high speed for online business. Due to this one, it is known as a new emerging and advanced technology in our society. IoT mean Internet of Things provide many materials of the services, including strength signals, the important features of highly service, as well as other materials related to the speed of internet, as 4G or 5G.